What's good, YouTube? It's lorShift here, back at it again with another banger video. It's currently 10:57 or 11 o'clock p.m. Giving y'all a little late night POV drive. It's been a couple days since I dropped a video, so I'm gonna just give y'all a little calm little POV drive, man. I ain't gonna do too much talking. I'm gonna let the engine speak for itself. We gonna try to turn y'all up, of course, like we do every other video. As you see, we got the dash lights shining up bright red. Then we got the stars. Yeah, we're gonna try to turn y'all up, of course, man, and give y'all, you know, some crazy downshifts, crazy pulls and stuff like that. So make sure y'all stay tuned to the end, of course. Smash that like button, comment, and subscribe for your boy. We're on the road to 20K. I believe we're at 12,000 right now. Appreciate all 12,000 of you guys who are subscribed to me. It means a lot. And we're gonna push for that big 20 ball. Gonna make a left real quick. We are in track mode, as you can see. Traction is off. I don't know if I'm gonna do crazy burnouts and shit late night because cops be out, but might do one or two, maybe. Who knows? Matter of fact, never mind. I was gonna show y'all what she looked like real quick before I go on this drive, but I'm just going to drive. For you guys who are wondering, this is a completely stock 2019 Dodge Charger RT. Just no mufflers, no resonators. The cats are still on. Let me do a little pull for y'all real quick. Oh my God. Currently a Sunday night, so I'm waking up everybody right now. I know a lot of people sleep because they got work tomorrow and shit, but who cares? They'll be all right. This ain't gonna be too long of a video. Calm little 10 to 15 minute video. So just, you already know what to do, man. If you already watched my POV drives, sit back, grab a snack. And of course, leave a like. Even if you don't finish watching this video, just leave a like and subscribe, of course. I'll be going this little cruise. Can't even see nothing. Put the windows up real quick so y'all can hear what she sound like with the windows up. And I might stop at a gas station real quick to give y'all a little look at what she look like, because I know a lot of you people probably wondering what she looking like right now. Oh, we got some construction going on in front of me. All right, here we go. It was probably like, damn, that motherfucker loud. That shit sound good. I know y'all hear me like, I was only doing like 20 miles per hour in that motherfucker. That shit was screaming. Like, this shit got a nice little, like, not idle, but sound to it. And this is nothing but no mid mufflers and no resonators. give y'all another pull real quick. Second gear. We're gonna do a 40 roll. Once we get up to 40, we're gonna hit it. Nah, she moving crazy right now. You're gonna bust a U-turn right here. And then we're gonna try to go to a gas station to show y'all what she look like. I could have spun that, but I ain't want the curb. Curb was a little too close. Do another pull for y'all. This shit sound crazy, bro. What the fuck? Once again, it's currently 11 o'clock at night. I'm waking up everybody with this little 5.7 of mine. I know a lot of people got work tomorrow and shit. I got work tomorrow myself, man, and I'm out here. I was like, you know what? It's been a couple days since I dropped the video. Let me give them a little video real quick. And I know a couple people asked me to do a little late night POV drive, so. Damn, I was gonna stop there, but they washing the gas station and shit. Oh well. I'm gonna stop at another gas station or somewhere with light so y'all can see. Got a cop right there. I know it'd be deer and shit back here, so I ain't gonna go crazy and speed. I'm gonna do a pull with the windows up now. I don't know if I already did that. I might have. I don't know. I don't remember. Second gear. Windows up. That's what she's sounding like right now. Am I tripping or do I hear a whine? What the fuck? Oh. I thought I heard a whine, yo. I know I'm not tripping. I know I'm not tripping. Hold on, look. Listen real close. I know y'all hear that whine, yo. What the fuck? This ain't the first time I heard this though, but it's sounding real loud right now. This might have a little supercharger in it, I ain't gonna lie. So, you know, it's a little 5.7. Let me stop. Y'all see that 160 on the dash? Y'all see that little 160 on the dash? Ain't nothing crazy. I will go, it's a gas station down here I will go to, but it's a cop sitting right there, and I don't want them to. Y'all already know how these cops be, man, with these cars, bro. Bro, fuck around and pull me over just for being there, like, type shit. So I might just park. I'm gonna park right here at the light and show y'all real quick. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Actually, yeah, let me show y'all real quick. I'm gonna let this dude by. On some crazy shit right now. Big 5.7. Got the nice little hood wrap. Tail lights. That's what the ass looking like right now. That's my interior, y'all. Now we gonna get back to this little POV. What the fuck this nigga doing? But yeah, if I approach another gas station, I'll give y'all another look in the light. Cause that was a little dark, I'm not gonna lie. Y'all probably couldn't really see it like that. But that was a quick little view of my car. Y'all gotta stay subscribed though. Y'all gotta really like tap in with my channel. Cause your boy really got the hardest RT in my state. I don't know about in the world or anything like that, but in my state, I know I got the hardest RT. Diff swap, lowering springs, hood wrap, SRT pages, all that shit. Alright, y'all, once again, that's the cop right there in that little Durango. Put the phone down real quick so he don't try to follow me. You gonna make it right here. Oh shit, that was a sharp right. Y'all want another pool? I'm gonna give y'all another pool, why not? There be cops sitting on the side too, so. God. This RT is loud as shit for no reason. Loud ass RT for no reason. Downshift. First gear. If you watching this and you from where I'm from, you know what area I'm at? Look, it's a cop right here. Cop right there. You already know, man, this area be having hella cops just sitting. Like, it be one back there where I just passed, one up here. They got cameras. I got a ticket. I got flashed at this light. And they gave me like a $150 ticket or something. $130, some shit like that. It was some crazy shit. You already know, man, this area get lethal. Cops just be sitting. Speed limit 25, 35 up the ramp. But they also have a speed camera on this pole. I always do like 40, 45 though. I'm not gonna lie, going up this ramp, but I don't think I got any tickets. Gonna bust a U-turn right here. Then we gonna end the video. Gave y'all a couple little pools though. Calm little late night drive, POV. One more pool, y'all. Sound crazy. Sadly, I couldn't give y'all a little clip of what my car looked like because there's no gas stations in this area for those who really wanted to see. But if you already subscribed and you liked all my videos and you tapped in on my channel, you should already know what she looked like. Y'all should already know this the Tanny Mobile for real. Tanny Mobile, stars. Tough ass RT, bro. God. Track mode feel crazy, bro. Like the throttle response is crazy. There go the cop that I just passed by right there. Imagine he just turned his lights on and busted Yui. I'd have been dick. I'm gonna give y'all another pull. Why not? And then I'm gonna end the video. One more pull. My brakes is sounding baddish. My brakes sounded crazy right now, yo. First gear. Give y'all one more pull. Oh shit. Yo, that was a cop with the scanner on. Yo, I'm like, what the fuck? Why is there a nigga on top of a car? I look over, this nigga got a camera in my beak. A speed camera. I don't know what the hell he had in his hand. I thought I was about to get aired the fuck out. Yo. Nah, I hope I got that on. I don't think I got it on camera, but nah, that was crazy. What the fuck? I'm telling you, you get critical with these cops. But, damn. That scared the shit out of me. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I'm gonna do a pull though, cause why not? I missed my shift a little bit. But alright, y'all, I'm gonna end the video here, man. Of course, man, like, comment, subscribe. And I'm gonna continue to drop bangers for y'all, of course. But hope y'all enjoyed this little POV drive, this little late night POV. It's your boy lorShift, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace. Boom.